A very warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening and welcome to this earnings conference call of today. Before I begin with a formal address, I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude for taking the time out of your busy schedule and accepting our invite and to be part of this call. Since this is our first address to the investor community as we got listed on the BS-CE SME platform on March 01, 2023. I would also like to take this opportunity for the trust kept by our shareholders and the keen interest expressed by investors and analysts in our company Sealmatic. I will take a few moments before I come to various facts and figures for the year that went by. I will give a brief insight into who we are and our journey in the business of mechanical seals. Our journey dates back to the year 1989, where we were a small indigenous company. Our products are exported to more than 45 countries across the globe. We work with Fortune 500 companies such as Reliance, IOCL, BPCL, HPCL, GAIL, NTPC, NPC, so on and so forth. We are OE suppliers to the leading pump companies globally, such as KSB, Sundyne, KEPL, and many more. We are API Q1 certified company, ATEX, or Department of Science and Industrial Research, ISO 9000, and many other certifications. We are currently undergoing our certification for ISO 19443, which will qualify us for critical business in the nuclear power plants. We would be the only company as a mechanical seal company globally who would qualify such a coveted certification, and the second company in India after L&T. So this speaks volume for our commitment to standards and specification. And this will also open new doors for high revenue, high profitable business in the nuclear power plants in India. Our products find application in refineries, oil and gas, chemical, petrochemical, chemical, fertilizer, pharmaceutical, power, marine, pulp and paper, food and beverage, aerospace, and many more industrial applications. It gives me tremendous pleasure to present to you our progress report for the year ended March 31st, 2023. In many ways, the year was special for all of us in the history of Sealmatic. On March 1st, 2023, Sealmatic shares were listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange on the SME platform. The IPO was oversubscribed by 16.6 times, as we all know. This historic milestone could be achieved only because of the strong foundation laid by our dedicated employees with their persistence and commitment. I am sure we'll continue this legacy of delivering value to all the stakeholders over many years to come. Sealmatic succeeded in increasing its turnover by around 31.4% to INR 596 million. This shows that demand for Sealmatic products is very strong and is being driven by developed markets in Europe, North America, and India included. It was also particularly pleasing that our international business not only developed well in time of limited travel opportunities, but also delivered a very satisfactory contribution to our profits. The year 2023-2024 will mark the beginning of a decade of technological transformation. Sealmatic will play a formative role in shaping this within the sealing technology, supported by the recognition and certification from Ministry of Science and Technology, coupled with a host of other valuable certifications and qualifications by international accreditation bodies. In 2022-2023, we developed a long-term strategy for the next 5 years under the title Sealmatic Beyond 2028. As our focus remains exclusively on sealing technology, we'll not only remain committed to our industry, but we are also prepared to assume even greater responsibility for the development of highly engineered mechanical seals. With our focus on people and sustainability as a core value, we look beyond the boundaries of the company and will solve the challenges of sealing technology together with our customers. We have been successful in meeting the market demand by continuous investment in our plants, new product launches, research and development, and infrastructure. This definitely will add approximately 60% to our capacity. Our common factory expansion, which is 16 kilometers north of the existing plant in Mira Road, is on track. And by the end of 2023, it shall be fully functional, thus adding 60% capacity to the current infrastructure. To support our research towards new product development, we are investing in state-of-the-art equipment to develop products such as dry gas seals, metal bellows seals, and host of other exciting products. This will add high profitable revenue for the company. We'll expand our footprints in southern and eastern markets in India. We are in the process of setting up sales and service centers in Chennai and Kolkata as we speak. Further investment is on the drawing board to engage more deeply in markets such as Europe, USA, Middle East, and South America. Sealmatic is the only indigenous mechanical seal company which has been qualified by DHL for the 210 megawatts, 500 megawatts, 660 megawatts thermal power plants for critical equipment such as boiler feed, booster, and condensate extraction pumps. In addition to the above, our company is also the only mechanical seal company globally which has the certification from API Q1, which comes from Washington in USA. The year 2023 commenced on a buoyant note with a healthy order booking on hand. A robust strategy for 2023-2024 has been put in place, resulting in high engineered mechanical seals for critical applications such as the FGD, which is the flue gas desulfurization, boiler feed pumps, API 682 pumps for oil and gas, refinery, petrochemical, and other critical applications. We made solid progress towards awareness and behaviors around diversity, equity, and inclusion, with many of our managers completing our comprehensive inclusive leadership training program held in the last quarter of 2022. We have undertaken various CSR initiatives for the development of society, including education, healthcare, destitute care, women empowerment, etc. We are committed to improving the recruitment of female employees and the promotion of underrepresented position in senior management. In 2022-2023, female employee recruitment was considerable. Particularly in times of major change, the backbone of business is its employees, shareholders, and customers. We would like to thank all these people for their loyalty and trust in Sealmatic.
I thank everybody for taking their valuable time and attending this earnings call and also asking questions. And while answering those questions, it also brings a lot of confidence when I'm trying to answer those questions. And I feel that by these questions, I feel that I'm on the right path in my journey for making Sealmatic as one of the leading companies, not only in India, globally. So I thank you all for your attention, and I look forward to your continued support and trust in Sealmatic.
At Sealmatic, we make it happen.